Hello students, welcome to online teaching eSuvidya. In the previous class, we continued our chapter School's Goodbye and we came to know what the pass out students should do after their school. What should they do while choosing their future trade or profession? Then today we will read and discuss about some other suggestions, advice and message of the writer Lord Eustace Percy. So, look at your book, paragraph 4. Success in life depends largely on good health. Keep your body fit and by cleanliness, fresh air, regular habits and suitable recreations, make yourself strong to play the game and to do it in every sense of the word. Avoid anything that will sap your health. Smoking in your youth stunts the body and clouds the brain. Be temperate in all things and beware of drink. It is the deadly enemy of health and efficiency. Above all, remember that your character is a priceless possession. Keep it therefore untarnished. Be truthful in all things, considerate to everybody, fair to your rival, kind and helpful to all who are weak and suffering. And don't be afraid to have courage to stand up for what is good, pure and noble. Avoid gambling in every form. It is a mean game trying to get something for nothing and at somebody's cost. So, dear students, in these two paragraphs, the writer Lord Eustace Percy has given some tips for a better life, for a healthy life of the students. Because you know, health is wealth. When we know there is a proverb, if wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If health is lost, something is lost. If character is lost, everything is lost. So here the writer says about the health and character, which are very important for a person. So success in life depends largely on good health. So good health is a key to success. Sound mind in a sound body. You know, sound mind in a sound body. So, if we have to keep our mind or we have to mentally free, then our body should also be well. We should be physically healthy. So, physical and mental health both are important for the development, betterment, progress of a person. So, success in life depends largely on good health. The writer says to keep good health. How can one keep good health? What are the ways to keep the health fit? Keep your body fit and by cleanliness, fresh air, regular habits and suitable recreation. Leisure, pastime. You are all having recreation in your school hour. After 4th period, you have recess or recreation, leisure. That is for having your tiffin. So, the students also have suitable recreation. That means that leisure hour they should utilize in best productive manner, best productive way, not in useless way, not in idle manner. Make yourself strong to play the game. So, the writer also advises the students to play the game. What is game? When he is talking about good health, what is the use of game? So, game in every sense of the word. That means we can mean the sports by game, or we can mean the life as a game. We say life is a game, play it. Life is a challenge, face it. Life is a gamble, play it. So we can compare our life with anything else, and we have to work hard everywhere, always, in every time. Hard work is given weightage, preference, which brings success. Make yourself strong to play the game. You should be very strong both physically and mentally. Mental strength is also as important as physical fitness. Avoid anything that will sap your health. Sap, gradually weaken. Drinking or smoking saps our health. It weakens our body, weakens our mind. Smoking in your youth stunts the body. Stunt, prevents normal growth. In youth, you all are now at youth. Youth word has been derived from the word young. Youth is noun. So you are in your youth, যুবক অবস্থা. So in this age, fitness is very, very important. So smoking in youth stunts the body. If anybody smokes, then it will stunt the body. It will prevent your normal process of growth. Because you know, on the packet of cigarette, it is written, smoking is injurious to health. It causes cancer. Still, some people are smoking. It is very, very dangerous for our health and hygiene. So smoking in youth stunts the body and clouds the brain. Clouds. Clouds, you know, मेघ जोड़ा आकाश रे भासु थाए. एठी हमर सही clouds कथा को आए ना. It clouds the brain, confuses. Your brain will be confused by smoking. You will lose your conscience. You cannot know what is right, what is wrong, what is good, what is bad. So you should keep a proper distance from smoking. That means you should not smoke at all. Smoking is injurious to health. It stunts the body and clouds the brain. Be temperate in all things. You should be very much temperate, normal, not extreme. Beware of drink, beware of. Be careful of. You should be very, very careful of the drink. Drink means here not water, alcohol. So you should be very much careful about drinking alcohol. That means drinking also spoils your life. It is the deadly enemy of health and efficiency. With smoking, drinking also is a deadly enemy, is a dangerous enemy, is the most dangerous enemy of your health and efficiency. both your health will be spoiled as well as your efficiency, your working capacity, your mental strength, all will be spoiled within no time if you are habituated to drink. So you should avoid both smoking and drinking. You should maintain a very much distance from smoking and drinking. So here the success depends upon all these things according to the writer. So you should inculcate all these habits. And one thing more you can also mark in this paragraph and in this whole chapter, all the sentences are written in imperative sentence. That means here the subject you is not written. That is meant, but they are not exposed, they are not written. And the sentence starts from the verb. And in all the sentences, the subject, common subject is you. Then come to paragraph 5. Above all, remember that your character is a priceless possession. You should not forget, above all, chiefly, mainly, character is a priceless possession. That means we cannot evaluate character. Character is the noblest virtue. आमर ओडिया रे मध्य अछि थिले थाउ पछे गुण हजार चरित्र नथिले सबु असार तेणु क्यारेक्टर टाको सबु बेले प्रायोरिटी दिया जाए. सो योर कैरेक्टर शुड बी आज प्योर एंड ब्राइट as white paper. It should be spotless. So you should keep it untarnished. Untarnished, free from blemish or black spot. That means your character should be kept bright without any spot. It is a priceless possession. We cannot value its cost, its worth. Durmulya. In terms of price, we cannot express. Be truthful in all things. Look at the sentence. This is also imperative sentence. Be truthful. The sentence starts from the verb. Be is the main verb. Be truthful in all things. Considerate to everybody. You should be very much considerate. One who considers others' problems, others' difficulties. Udara. Considerate to everybody. Fair to your rivals. Rivals means enemy. You should be fair. आमे शत्रु मानक सहित शत्रुता आचरण करिबा नाही. सेमानकु भल कथा कहिबा, भल व्यवहार देखैबा. तेणु उत्तम व्यवहार देखैले शत्रु मध्ये हमर मित्र हेई परिबो. Kind and helpful to the weak and sufferings. Those who are weak and sufferings, you should be very much kind and helpful towards them. And don't be afraid to have courage to stand up for what is good, pure and noble. And you should have courage, mental strength to stand against what is wrong. So you should support what is right, what is pure, what is noble. Avoid gambling in every form. Gambling, you know, passa khela. So gambling is the mean game. It is the most notorious game. सबुठो हिन्न खेल होची गैम्बलिंग. तेणु गैम्बलिंग कथा केबे मुंडरे चिंता ही करिबो नाही. देखिछ कि नाही गैम्बलिंग? बहुत पिला रास्ता कड़े मध्य बसिकी पसा खेल, ताश खेल एथरे माती थांती, पैसा सब बाजी रखिकी. दैट इज गैम्बलिंग. सो इट इज ए मीन गेम. व्हाई इट इज ए मीन गेम? ट्राइंग टू गेट समथिंग फॉर नथिंग एट एंड somebody's cost. You have no money in your pocket. If you will sit for gambling, then you will take the money of others. अन्य मानकर पैसा को हड़प करके नहीं जीव. बिना पैसा रे आसीथिबो पॉकेट खाली रे, किंतु गला बेल को पॉकेट फुल करके जीव. ताले एटा कोन ठीक कथा? एटा न्याय बाटरे पैसा अर्जन? नुहे तेणु गैम्बलिंग ठारू मध्य तुमे माने दूर रे रहिबो सो इट इज ए वेरी मेन गेम एंड you should avoid it in every form. What type of gambling it may be, you should avoid it. So in these two paragraphs, the writer advises the students to avoid smoking, drinking and gambling, to keep good health by cleanliness, recreation, regular habits, and he also suggests the students to be noble, to be fair to their rivals, to be kind and helpful towards needy people, towards weak and sufferings, and to be truthful in all these things. So if you will inculcate, you will practice all these good qualities, definitely you will be a good student in your later life and a good citizen, a good human being. So students, in the next class we will continue our study. Thank you all.